Welcome to the behind-the-scenes look at the making of the Stillen Cat-Back exhaust for the impressive 2022 Plus Hyundai Elantra N, featuring the 2.0 turbocharged 4-cylinder. We hope you enjoy the journey. Our process begins with precision. We cut 2.5-inch and 3-inch stainless steel tubing bundles using our hydraulic CNC controlled bandsaw. These tubes then move to our CNC Mandrel tube benders. Each tube is meticulously checked in our bend check fixtures to meet our specifications. After bending, the tubes are then cut to the right length and all ends are cleaned and deburred for welding. Now, we step into the final welding and assembly. Every exhaust system undergoes precise welding in our pre-engineered fixtures. These fixtures ensure perfect, repeatable fitment for all components time and time again. For the Elantra N, our engineering team designed a cutting-edge fixture for the merge collector. It efficiently distributes exhaust gases to each exit port while retaining the factory electronic exhaust valve, allowing your N mode to stay. Our mufflers are handcrafted in-house. The process begins by assembling the perforated tube inner core and forming the end caps. The inner core, combined with our high-temperature ceramic wool, ensures optimal sound control. After final assembly, the mufflers leave our facility for polishing. Upon return from polishing, mufflers are placed on our rotational welding positioner. This precision device allows our welders to achieve a top-quality TIG welded finish, leaving a distinctive burn finish that showcases our craftsmanship. Stillen offers this exhaust in various configurations, complete catback, axle back, or mid-pipe alone. Mix and match as you prefer. We also provide options for exhaust tips, polished stainless steel, burnt stainless steel, or carbon fiber. The Elantra N exhaust adds up to 15 horsepower at the wheels, enhances the car's sound, and eliminates drone. The stainless steel exhaust comes with a limited lifetime warranty, proudly made here in the United States of America. Installation is a breeze. It only takes about 30 minutes from start to finish. Since 1986, Stillen has been a leader in exhaust system manufacturing, proudly made here in the United States. Our exhausts are engineered for top performance, constructed from stainless steel and backed by our limited lifetime warranty. To complement our Cat-Back exhaust, consider our TRUCONTROL INLINE power module, adding a significant horsepower increase. We also recommend the Stillen rear sway bar for improved handling of your fantastic automotive enthusiast car.